Hi everyone, and so the question that I focused on this presentation is my first question, which is what are good ways to seek answers to questions? I was really pondering this a lot because there's many different ways and many people do different things many different ways on how to find answers to your questions. And so what I got from the discussion boards was basically to look up reliable sources and reliable resources like the church website, the scriptures and everything. And basically in chapter 3, Brett said that it mentions to look up reliable sources, like I just said earlier, and to basically just look up in the scriptures, like the answers to your questions in the scriptures, the church website, and other articles or anything that have like church-related doctrine. And he also said to write them down. So like his response was really good. Everyone's was really good, but his really stuck out to me. And like basically just write down your questions, so then you could have like meaningful study, I guess. And then the scriptures provide meaningful answers, and there's many different ways to answer your questions, and in different scriptures it says stuff differently, so to look at many sources, not just one.